Today it's a pleasure to see so many of you coming from Montreal locally and Ottawa, and I should say welcome to Ottawa, welcome to Parliament Hill. To mark that particular important day. Yeah. So I want to thank many of you who came last year to support this. There are almost 4,000 Chinese from Montreal, Toronto, and Vancouver, and as far as Halifax. That I should say Canadian, Asian Canadian, remember what's happening, but we put it in a, and Ottawa is the first starting point where I work here. So happy that you are the first batch that to be honored for your hard work. And the next stop, Toronto, and the next stop, Vancouver.
He asked me to speak for only a few minutes.
Senior President of the Chinese Community.
跟为他支持安排工作的所有的工作人员。
In our community, your selfless dedication